After more than 30 years research and development, 3D printing has finally matured enough to be used in industry. Sound interesting? IAM 3D Hub. We are the first European digital innovation hub specialized in additive manufacturing, driven by technological and ecosystem leaders. Feel free to contact us for any need you may have concerning the process of implementing additive manufacturing into your workflow. But what are the advantages of 3D printing? Is your company ready? We want to walk with you and guide you on your journey to implementing additive manufacturing. First stop, experimenting and testing. We can help you select the technologies and materials that best suit your company needs. Did you know that the key to successful 3D printing is in the design? Reduce the use of materials, lighten the weight of your products, combine several pieces into one. Imagine a unique and personalized design. Second stop, end-to-end solutions. Once the right technology and materials have been selected, we can help you design or redesign certain parts, making the most of 3D printing features and ensuring the best workflow for your 3D production plant. Third stop, business and mentoring. We provide consultations for the digitization and internationalization of your company. Fourth stop, education and training. The IAM 3D Hub Academy also provides training programs tailored to your needs and courses for all types of requirements. 100% hands-on, individual or group sessions, exclusive access to the latest industrial 3D printing technologies. We have the knowledge, the equipment and the experience to accompany you on your journey to implementing additive manufacturing in your workflow. Conference room and training room, Renishaw metal print area, BASF 3D materials laboratory, a 100% operational HP/MJF industrial production pilot plant, post-processing area led by Abrast by Cognex Technology, the latest 3D modeling and design software tools, access to LETAT laboratories for testing and validation of printed parts. Get started today. Contact us or come visit us.